Hello there! My name is Giuseppe Manzoli and I am a private chef and author. I was in the process to make myself a healthy smoothie and I said, "Hey Beppe," Beppe is my name for friends, I'm Italian, "why do not transform this into a presentation for your future clients?" And so here I am, making a fresh smoothie after a run today along the park and thinking that this is what I usually do for all my clients when I serve them from breakfast time. I don't buy any juice from the market. I always, no matter how difficult is the task, I always take my time to organize a fresh smoothie, along with the kind of breakfast which my clients are looking for. I love to serve my clients healthy and homemade food. Well, if you like to know more about myself, I've got plenty video on my YouTube channel. Just check for Giuseppe Manzoli Chef and it will appear hundreds of my works, from working in the kitchen to work with clients that agreed to be filmed with me. I hope I can serve you. I hope I will see you soon. Giuseppe Manzoli, your professional private chef.